In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database in Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting on this journey, setting up a database is essential for your web application's success. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the hosting section, where you'll find all your existing sites and services. Click on the domain name you wish to associate with your new database. This will direct you to the control panel for that specific domain. Now that you're in the control panel, locate the Databases section. Typically, this will include a MySQL Databases option. Click on it, and you'll see a page where you can create and manage your databases. This is the hub for all things database related on your Hostinger platform. Before we proceed to create a new database, take a moment to think about a unique name for your database. You'll need something descriptive, yet easy to remember, as it's the cornerstone for identifying your database later. Once you have a name in mind, enter it into the required field. Make sure you avoid spaces and special characters to ensure compatibility. Next, you'll need to set up a strong password. This is crucial for the security of your database, so don't rush over this step. A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols is recommended. It might even be worth using a password manager to generate and store a robust password for you. Enter this password into the password field, and be sure to confirm it by typing it again in the related box. Now that you have decided on a database name and password, it's time to click the Create button. Hostinger will work its magic, and within seconds, your new MySQL database will be ready. You'll see it listed under the current databases along with the username you've assigned, which usually mirrors the database name. Once the database is created, consider noting down the database name, username, and password. This information is vital when configuring your applications to connect with the database. Lose it, and you'll face some unnecessary frustration down the line. With your database set up, the final step is to manage it via phpMyAdmin. Return to the MySQL Databases page, where you'll see a phpMyAdmin button next to each database. Clicking this will open the phpMyAdmin interface, allowing you to interact directly with your database. Here, you can create tables, run SQL queries, and import data. Explore this tool, as it is an invaluable resource for managing your database effectively. And that's it. You've successfully created a MySQL database on Hostinger, ready to fuel your dynamic website or application. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!